Today we are going to discuss about immunoglobulin M or simply called as IgM. So we will look first about the structure of IgM. Simply as a structure of immunoglobulin, we have seen that there are generally two heavy chain and two light chain. And what is the difference in the structure of IgM? So that one unit of two heavy chain and two light chain and such five units are combined and making this IgM or immunoglobulin M. They are connected with each other with the help of this J chain or called a joining chain. Further, basically this heavy chain is made up of the mu, so it is called a IgM. Same way as a short chain, that is it may be a kappa or lambda variety. Further, in this immunoglobulin M, basically this immunoglobulin M are macroglobulin or considered as a 19 as immunoglobulin. The molecular weight of this immunoglobulin M, that is about 9,70,000 daltons. So it is bigger as compared to all other immunoglobulin. 5 subunits, each having 4 peptide chains. Total 10 heavy chains and 10 light chains are joined together by J chain polypeptide that already we've seen in the structure. It can combine with the 5 antigen simultaneously with that 5 subunits of the immunoglobulin M. So IgM is very effective for this agglutinating bacteria. Being a large molecule, it cannot come out of vascular space, so it is giving some advantage against some particular thing that we will look also. So further, in this immunoglobulin M, they are the predominant class of antibody in primary response. Primary response, whenever the first time any antigen or foreign particle that is entering in our body and evoking this immune response, and that immune response that is with the help of IgM. Further, this IgM is also considered natural antibodies. Thus, a person having blood group A antigen will have anti-B antibody in his circulation, and that is also sometimes mismatch of this blood group that can lead to the isohemagglutinin. So it is not possible to give blood without matching. So these are produced without any known antigenic stimulation. So by default that some antibody is present that is of IgM variety, so it is considered natural antibodies. So they are produced without any known antigenic stimulation and hence called as a natural antibodies. Further, this IgM antibody cannot cross placenta. Also we have seen that they cannot cross this vascular compartment, and therefore what happened, the fetus is being protected if there is even though any mismatch between this mother and child. So even though it carries an incompatible antigen of this fetus, but this fetus is remain protected because this IgM being a larger molecule that cannot cross the placenta, so is protected from natural antibody that is IgM of the mothers. So that is most important part you have to remember in relation to the IgM. Further, that structure of this IgM that is also called a pentamer in nature. They are combined with each other with the help of this J chain, and you have to remember that with these 5 different site of antigen binding, they can bind simultaneously at the 5 antigen. So that's all about the important things of the immunoglobulin M or IgM.